Welcome to this very special performance by the Dodgen 7th grade band. This video performance includes students from 2 separate face-to-face classes as well as 36 remote students. This hybrid performance reflects how we currently teach and truly represents the entire 7th grade band. We don't let little challenges like distance and time get in our way.
We go to great lengths to keep band students safe. In a normal class period, we have the woodwinds in the chorus room and the brass and percussion in the band room. Also, you notice there's a lot of spacing between chairs, much more distance than you'd regularly see at a band performance. Also, you're going to see t-shirts and rubber bands covering instruments and bells to really make sure that we're keeping students absolutely as safe as possible.
So click the link in the description and enjoy the performance. Feel free to share the link with friends and family, just like you would invite them to a concert. The video is unlisted for student privacy, so it's not searchable. You'll need to share that link. And now, the 7th grade band performs Linus and Lucy.